Lego art sets like Starry Night, Sunflowers and Mona Lisa are absolutely beautiful. I'd love to own them all one day. But in meanwhile, I made my own LEGO City Skyline with just a few pennies and a few bricks. It only took a few minutes to build. If you would like to build one too, the tutorial is coming up next. For this build, you will need to join two 16 by 16 base plates and then build the frame. And now the fun part, building LEGO City. Let's add the moon and a few stars. I am adding two legs at the back. You can display it on your shelf or put it on the wall. I will be back soon with something new.